Do you ever catch yourself thinking that this has just got to be a part of getting older? And a few of these moments might be when you're getting out of the car and now you have a low back twinge, or you're reaching up high to grab something in the cabinet and now your shoulder aches, or you're going up those stairs with the groceries and you tell yourself, wow, my knees are definitely not what they used to be. Let me know in the comments if that sounds familiar to you. And I want to ask you a question today. Are you ready to accept this as your new normal? Or are you going to say, no, I'm not going to be giving up on my mobility and live with these aches and pains? There has to be a better and different way. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about why so many of us have aches and pains at the age of 40 plus, and how yoga can actually help bring more space into the joints, helps us sit taller and move better, and keep our muscles flexible and strong. And I'm also going to be bringing up some yoga poses that I teach in classes. They're nothing twisty or pretzel shaped. They're actually easy movements that really do work. And so, hi there, I'm Susanne. I'm a yoga teacher and I'm the founder of the Yoga and Movement Circle, where I host over 11 live Zoom classes a week. I support women over 40 in building strength, balance, and confidence through simple, consistent movement. And if what I'm sharing today resonates with you, then comment the word yoga in the comments, and I'll reach out to you and invite you to a free yoga class. We'll find the best class that's going to fit your needs with the schedule. And it's a chance for you to experience it yourself and see what yoga can do for you. So let me know in the comments, what part of your body do you struggle the most with aches and stiffness in? Is it your knees, your back, your hips? Or maybe it's something else too. So let's take a closer look at what's going on as we age, because we all know as we're getting older, our body's aging. And the main thing is we can lose up to 30% of our muscle mass between 50 and 70. And that's really huge if you think about that, as well as our ligaments are getting older and they start to lose their elasticity. So if you're not stretching, then that's where so much of the aches and pains come. And the other thing is our musculoskeletal system, we're all out of alignment. So it could be years of typing and sitting at a desk. Notice how you're sitting right now. Are you using your low back to hold you up? Or are you using your core muscles to hold you up, which is the correct way that we should always try to work towards sitting, using our core muscles, because that helps the low back to not get the aches and pains as much. Or do you pull your shoulders up to your ears? Is this how you carry your stress? And now you have aches and pains in your neck and your shoulders. Or you maybe tend to put more weight on one side of your body. Maybe you tend to put more weight on your left hip, and now your left hip aches. And so that's the beautiful thing about yoga is it helps us to realign our body, the musculoskeletal system. And they're wonderful poses, and they really can change and help tremendously. So let's hop on to the slides. I have just a couple quick yoga poses that I want to talk about real quick. Some of my favorite ones that I teach and that I love. And then I'm going to come back and ask you, which ones did you like the best? Which ones do you think would help you the most? And maybe you'd like to come and try them out in a class. So let me bring those up. So here are a few poses that we do in the Yoga and Movement Circle. Top left, stretching, hinge forward, hands on the chair. It feels really good to the spine. It's great for the shoulders. The top right, full body stretch. It's great for the sides of the body. I like to tell my students, think of pulling a string from the ankle, hip, shoulders out the fingers and elongate the body. Bottom left, just a full forward stretch. It's great for the calves, hamstrings. It gets the blood circulating into the legs. And then the one on the right bottom, We do this a lot. We sit at the edge of the chair and pull the shoulders back. Deep breathing. We need lots of oxygen. We're working on our posture a lot and using the core to hold us up. Here's some on the mat yoga that we do. Top left, this is called bridge. This is great for your front hip flexors. It helps you get up and down stairs. So we want to strengthen this area of our hips. The top one next to it, this is really good if you have sciatic nerve pain. Just pulling the legs in towards you. Bottom left, this is squat. We come into squat, and even if you have your ankles up, it's a little bit easier. I like to do it that way with my hands flat on the ground. But when you kind of roll your body weight onto your elbows, it's really a great hip opener. And if you have a lot of stiffness in your hips from sitting, it's an excellent pose to come into squat. And then happy baby. It's a little bit more advanced, but it's doable and we can work our way into it, and I can give you modifications to do. But this is also another really great hip opener too. Here's some examples of standing yoga. So we just do really simple, easy yoga. We don't do really difficult pretzel poses, but as the top left, we just bring our arms up and we do some circles. The top right one is called tree. And I tell my students, if you're having a challenge with balance, because this is a balance pose, you can put one hand on a chair. So we always have a chair next to us, and you can work your way into deeper, more balancing pose such as this. The bottom left is called chair pose, like we're going to sit down onto a chair, and this elongates the spine. It's a really great spinal pose. And then the bottom right, it looks hard, her touching her ankle, but again, we have that chair next to us and we always can use that as a modification. So it's just a really great full body stretch there. And lastly, I just wanted to throw in the beginner's weights because we do dumbbells. We want to strengthen our muscles, strengthen our bones. And I hope that gives you an idea of what some of the exercises that we do in the yoga and movement circle. So those are all such great poses, and let me know which ones that you really resonated with the most as far as what your body really needs. Hips, lower back, neck. Let me know in the comments. And again, if what I shared with you resonates, then I'd love to invite you to a completely free class, comment yoga, and I'll reach out to you and help you choose the best class to come to. Whether you prefer standing yoga, chair yoga on the mat, or you like a mix of all the different ones. I'll help you find the right fit for your body and your schedule. So we meet several times every week on Zoom, and it's inside my yoga and movement circle where you can join right from your living room. And it's a great, supportive, warm community of women just like yourself. So we're all learning how to move and feel better together and age with more ease and energy. So, comment yoga, and I'll send you the details. Looking forward to moving and stretching with you. So, take care, my friend, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.